Alright guys, Justin here with Walking with J-Ren. Just want to say love each and one of you guys and wish that you each find beauty and blessings upon each and every day. And just remember guys, we need to start pushing our younger youth and younger generations back off the computers and social media and everything, and getting more involved back in nature. We all just need a little bit more time in nature, you guys. Just if anything for reset. Just the mental reset. All of you guys, I love you. Take a little time to get out in nature.